Welcome to Prefab Pathfinders. Retirement changes what you need from a home. Smaller spaces, less maintenance, more freedom. Today, we're walking through 7 barndominium layouts designed specifically for that stage of life. Not downsizing, right-sizing. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe. We break down real housing options every week. Comment with the feature that matters most to you. Let's get into it. A retirement home isn't just a smaller version of what you had before. It's built around different priorities. Single-story living, no stairs to navigate, no steps at entries. Wide doorways, walk-in showers, good natural light. Low-maintenance exteriors, durable interiors, and layouts that work for 1 or 2 people without feeling empty. The barndominiums we're looking at today all share these features, but each one solves a slightly different need. The compact solo. 800 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. This is minimal living done right. Open kitchen and living area, vaulted ceiling keeping the space from feeling cramped. Small covered porch, attached carport. Everything built in. Walk-in closet, pantry, linen storage. No guest room, no extra spaces to heat or cool. It's designed for someone living alone who values simplicity over square footage. Low utility bills, minimal upkeep, complete independence. Not for everyone, but for the right person, it's liberation. The practical standard. 1,200 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This is where most retirees land. Open living, dining, and kitchen in the center. Primary bedroom on one end, guest room on the other. When family visits, they have their own space, their own bathroom. When it's just you, the second bedroom stays closed. Laundry room with counter space, covered porch deep enough for furniture. Wide hallways throughout. Curbless shower in the primary bath. The layout anticipates aging in place without announcing it. It just works, quietly, efficiently. The workshop life. 1,400 square feet total. Living space plus dedicated workshop. 1,000 square feet for living. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. 400 square feet for making things. Attached but separated. Its own entrance, interior door connecting to the house. Epoxy floor, good ventilation, proper electrical, plenty of light. Woodworking, metalwork, pottery, restoration projects, whatever you spent your career doing or always wanted to try. The workshop stays contained. Dust and noise don't migrate into living areas. You're not retiring from work, you're choosing your work. The hosting layout. 1,600 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Built for retirees who gather people. Family dinners, card games, book clubs. The great room is genuinely large. Kitchen island seats 6. Sliding glass doors open to an oversized covered patio. In good weather, your entertaining space doubles. Guest room has a full private bathroom, but when it's quiet, the layout doesn't echo. It scales to the moment, comfortable alone, functional with guests. The flexible future. 1,700 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, small third room. Here's what makes this different. That third room sits next to the guest bedroom, shares the second bathroom. Right now, it's an office, a reading room, a hobby space. Later, if you need live-in help, it converts to a bedroom. Family, caregiver, visiting nurse. The guest bath becomes theirs. The office becomes their room. Your primary suite stays private on the opposite end. Blocking already in the walls for future grab bars. Designed for independence now, ready for support later. Most people don't think about this until circumstances force it. This layout thinks about it up front. The extended family option. 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, primary suite on one end, 2 guest bedrooms on the other. This handles extended visits, adult children between situations, grandchildren for the summer, aging parents needing temporary care. The guest zone functions independently when needed, stays closed and unheated when it's not. It's not permanent multi-generational living. It's flexibility for a retirement that rarely follows a straight line. The income property. 2,200 square feet total across 2 units, 1,400 square foot primary residence, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 800 square foot rental unit, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, kitchenette. Separate entrances, shared wall, separate utilities. The rental income covers property taxes, insurance, maintenance. On a fixed income, that buffer matters. The renter provides security, someone else on property, eyes on things when you travel. And if circumstances change, that unit converts to family space. It's income, it's safety, it's flexibility, all in one structure. What these share. Every layout prioritizes the same fundamentals. Single story, wide doorways, curbless showers, lever handles instead of knobs, open sight lines, good lighting, natural during the day, layered at night. Covered outdoor space extending usable area. These aren't medical accommodations. They're thoughtful design choices that make life easier at any age. They just become essential as you get older. Small barndominiums cost less to build overall, but not proportionally less per square foot. Fixed costs don't scale down the same way square footage does. Foundation, utilities, permitting. An 800 square foot build might run $125 per square foot. A 2,200 square foot build might run $120. But here's the advantage: lower total cost, lower property taxes, lower insurance, lower utilities. Maintenance is minimal. Metal exterior, durable finishes. You're not spending weekends on upkeep. The ongoing cost of living small is where the real savings show up. Location matters as much as layout. Rural land is cheaper, but you're farther from medical care, from shopping, from people. Suburban land costs more, but proximity comes with it. Some choose land near family, others near recreation. The barndominium works in both settings. What doesn't work is building in isolation and realizing later you needed proximity. Think about your 10-year reality. Where do you want to be when driving becomes harder, when you need help more often? The structure can age in place, but it can't move. Choose location with the same care you choose the floor plan. Why barndominiums fit retirement? Metal exteriors, no painting, no rot, no termites. Simple roof lines, minimal maintenance. Open floor plans, easy to navigate, easy to modify. Single-story construction, no stairs to worry about. Energy efficient, lower monthly costs. And they build faster than traditional homes, 6 to 8 months from start to move-in. When you're ready to transition, speed matters. 7 layouts, 800 to 2,200 square feet, from minimalist independence to flexible income property. The right one isn't the smallest or the cheapest, it's the one that fits your actual life. Retirement isn't one size fits all, neither is the home you retire into. Build for how you want to live, not how you think you're supposed to. If this helped, subscribe to Prefab Pathfinders, real housing options for real life stages. Comment with which layout fits your vision. See you in the next one.